Do you know many people are having trouble with using their SHARPERIMAGE massage gun correctly? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Unplug and clean. Unplug the massage gun and wipe it with a damp cloth to spot clean. Step 2. Air dry thoroughly. Allow the massage gun to air dry completely before using it again. Step 3. Ensure device dry. Ensure the device is fully dry before plugging it back in. Step 4. Avoid water submersion. Never submerge your massage gun in water to avoid damage. Step 5. Skip detergents. Avoid using detergent or soap when cleaning the massage gun. By following these steps, you should be able to use your SHARPERIMAGE massage gun effectively and safely. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other SHARPERIMAGE users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.